forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video, I am going to show you how to add and update your data on Etsy. First, sign into your Etsy account. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager, typically found at the top right corner of the Etsy homepage. In the Shop Manager dashboard, locate and click on Finances to access your financial settings. Within the Finance section, look for Legal and Tax information, and click on Edit to modify your details. Under the Primary Taxpayer ID section, you'll find an Edit option. Click on this to proceed with updating your name. You'll be asked to select whether this name changes for legal reasons or non-legal reasons. Enter your new name in the provided field. Ensure that the name you enter matches your legal informations. After that, click on Save and Upload Documents. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.